Diego and
guys.
Hello.
Si Altos na dyan
May iba-ibang batch.
Oh, sorry.
Alright. This is the first batch. The first question is, what is the album about?
What is it about?
Pain.
The album.
What's it about?
There really is
A central, are you asking about a central
theme,
theme?
thematic,
Yes.
parang ganun.
It's not a concept album per se.
It's just a collection of songs that we really, really wanted
Yeah.
to do.
So covered songs yun, or?
No,
Yeah, all
cover.
original siya.
The song, because we made so many songs, and we only chose the top 9 songs that we wanted.
Okay.
No cover.
In context, what is the title?
Oh well,
We like to eat.
yeah, and my ring came up with the title kasi
We're always talking about where to eat eh.
Okay.
Lalo na pag out of town. So, tapos si Mike, taga-spot namin ng nung local na yung specialty talaga. Gusto namin the more street food, the better. Pero in general, gusto namin kumain. Tapos sabi namin, yung pinaka-primal na elements na pwede mong i-add to anything is salt, fat, and flame.
Salt
Basically,
talaga, mas sarap
we
na.
might have been talking about barbecue or a steak.
I think it was a steak actually.
Or bacon. Why do we love bacon? Yun kasi yun yung salt, yung fat.
Yung steak na walang taba, hindi ganun kasarap. Diba? Or yung...
Kailangan marble. May taba.
Have a seat.
Kumbaga, it's enough sin. That's it.
So yun, the elements for a good time.
The fat gives the goodness. Oo. Pag masyadong lean, di masyadong masarap.
So parang summary rin nung 2 years na dumaan namin, parati kami kumakain. Making music, tsaka nandun kami sa mesa after, kain kami. Yun yung reward namin.
May tracks ba about sa food? Kasi
Well, no,
just
ganun din yung elements ng mga napili. We wrote about 20-30 songs. And then we play them, we rehearse them intensively, and then we play them live. Tapos yung pinaka masarap.
Deliberation Ito gusto ba natin to?
Masarap to.
Tutugtugin ba natin to after i-record? So itong 9 songs, ito na yun, for sure gagawin namin. Gusto na.
Tsaka nagput kaming premium on the songs we can actually play live.
Yan.
As opposed to in
Hindi
previous
sa
albums,
studio,
may
ano?
mga studio songs lang eh. Like most bands, may maganda lang na experiment sa studio. Pero live, it does not translate really as well. So, this one, yun. And then, we recorded the album live. Yung main instruments, so the bass, the drums, and the guitar, parang in 3 different rooms, separated by glass lang. Sabay-sabay, nakatayo. Parang ano ba, like, old school style.
So hindi technical na term yung live, sabay-sabay namin tutugtugin. Sabay-sabay na ika-capture nung
Nung
as
recorder.
opposed to yung
Multitracking.
multitracking mo.
One
Drums
by-
mo na,
one by
next
one.
day guitar. Ito sabay-sabay.
Kasi gusto namin i-capture sana yung parang energy tsaka yung sense of urgency nung live performance namin. Kasi
We feel that
kasi,
is our strong
Kasi yun yung tinamin, doon kami magaling.
Actually,
Kasi parang magaling kami pag live. So, pag dati, parang si Mike muna mag-drums, tapos si Myrene, tapos so on and so forth. Maganda pa rin, pero ito talagang kasama kami lahat.
Hindi naman todo galing, may energy kami, may energy yung mga capture, may chemistry kami na
May
iba eh.
magic.
May magic na
Hindi hindi kami perfectly in sync.
May betchin no?
Yun,
Meron.
madami-dami.
So kasali lahat, pati yung maliliit na we weren't going for perfection, we were going
Yes.
for
For natural.
Energy.
Yun ang perfect sa amin.
Strong suit
Maganda
namin.
yung feel.
for especially for this album yung
Yeah.
Ano yung mga,
That's all.
ano yung mga tracks included? Ano yung mga kanta na gustong-gusto nyo doon? Kung mayroon kayong paborito. dun sa-
may mabilis, may maingay, may malapot.
Lahat eh.
So kailangan
Maalat.
parang isang meal din para sa amin. May
Combo meal, no? Kompleto sa
Sino?
Hindi ka na mag-upgrade, no? Yun na,
may
oh.
may
May
malungkot,
1.5.
may masaya,
1.5.
may masukal.
Hindi, ano rin, yun rin, parang bid rin namin na mag-present ng isang buong idea na album. I mean, it's not a concept album, pero kailangan buo siya. Kailangan magkakasama yung mga songs. So, yun. So for example, today, tutugtugin namin lahat.
Tapos yung songs na to, hindi adjusted sa taste ng makikinig sa amin. Magugustuhan ba ito ng tao? Hindi. Adjusted sa taste na. Kami, chef. Gusto natin to. Galing mo, Chef Raymond, Chef Jago, ganyan. The best, ang ganda ng luto natin.
Basta
Ako,
kung ano
waiter
yung
na
appeal nyo na gusto nyo.
Oh, Walang consideration sa
Pag pag nag-enjoy kami sa stage, parang mararamdaman naman yun ng audience. So, nagta-translate naman. So, mas may reaction naman pag nakikita mo nag-enjoy yung pinapagawa.
Yun yung reason ba't namin gusto itong album na to. Tsaka medyo talagang inupuan namin kasi 15th year ng Sandwich. So sabi na, huwag tayo maglalabas ng kalahati. Hilaw. Langan lutong-luto.
In fact, yung una namin nasa record company na yung kanta, ay yung album. Pero hindi kami mapakali, medyo may hilaw na part eh.
Andahan natin.
Binalik namin, talagang binalik namin
sa oven.
Binalik namin sa oven.
Totoo yan.
Kasi pwede naman sa restaurant magpabalik.
Binol out. Dapat.
Kumbaga yung sa panlasa namin, pwede na yan. Pero mas sasarap pa yan eh.
So binalik namin.
Inusog namin yung release.
Inulit na yung dalawang kanta. Talagang from scratch. Parang hindi pwedeng okay lang eh. Dapat
yun, tawagan kami, payag ka ba, okay lang yan.
Palis si Mike nun.
Papunta si Mike ng
mag-vacation ako, birthday. Tapos sabi ko, sige, iti-take ko madaling araw. Kasi kinabukasan yung flight ko. Sige, gawin natin para sa album.
So pumunta kami sa studio na 2:00 na madaling araw.
Totoo yan, seryoso. Galing.
Tapos,
can you name those songs? Or
Yun yung nandun sa...
record namin. Right before umalis siya.
okay.
Kasi pag hindi, 1 linggo pa eh, di ba?
Oo, delay lalo.
Tsaka ayaw siya patulugin eh.
Actually, yun eh. So, for a week na nagawa na, wala muna nag-uusap. Parang lahat okay ba? Nagkatawagan na, parang pwede pa eh. No? Tapos yun. So, kasi usually may 1 week na grace period just in case. Baka naman maganda talaga to. Pero since consensus na, sige, ulitin natin. Medyo ipalik sa oven. So, binalik namin. Tapos yun. So, saya na kami.
While you're celebrating your 50th anniversary, meron din tong major concert na maganda na after yung release na.
May pinaplano kami
May plans.
na events.
Not really that major.
Hindi pa masyadong areglado pero
May mangyayari.
May mangyayari.
Inamarinate.
Pwedeng mas casual, pero series of pwedeng ganun. Or pwedeng, yun nga, medyo semi-major. Depende pa.
Pwedeng 2 Michelin star. Pwedeng.
Kasi yung mission namin, 1 whole year namin sa celebrate. Hindi yung, February anniversary natin. 1 whole year.
15 years is very long. Ano na sa tingin niyo yung pinaka natutunan or yung pinaka-iniiwasan niyo ng as band, as group?
It's a good question.
Dapat masarap yung pagkain para. Hindi totoo yan kasi pag masarap yung pagkain, maganda yung tugtog.
Actually.
Pag nag-iensayo kami, sa bahay nag-iensayo sa bahay ko. Naghahanda kami ng ng masarap na merienda. Ganun kasimple. Kahit nasa airport lang kami naghihintay, saan dito masarap kumain.
Tsaka sama-sama.
Sama-sama.
Dapat mas
Important
marami
together, important talaga.
I get some more.
Like you can see we're very very close.
Salamat,
We take
Max.
vacations together, we hang out kahit sa shows. We support each other's bands.
Kahit ano, iba-iba yung
Crucial yung sama-sama.
Zam-zama.
Zama.
Zam-zama.
Vision na lang ng Rex. Sorry.
Hindi, pinisip ko. Sige, mamaya na. Nakalimutan.
Ano yung
Ay, mong paspak tubig. Sorry.
Wow,
Oh, parang si Raymond, laki oh. Oh, tayo oh.
serious.
Zama-zama. Serious.
Serious.
Thanks, man.
Si Aldis parang zoom in niya. Zoom in ang zama-zama serious.
Naalala ko lang yung last album, meron ko yung song na inspired nung dahil sa Ondoy. Tapos for this new album, meron ba kayong parang song na was inspired because of an event? Or mga nangyari sa inyo as a band?
Puro events yata yung mga songs, pero medyo mas abstract to. Itong album.
Mas everyday things lang sa amin. Hindi one specific event like yung Ondoy talaga. Ito, siguro everyday lives namin. Events din yan sa amin, pero siguro like everybody has them also. Ito lang yung chronicle lang nung 2 years na between the last album and this one.
Sakto.
So,
Ang maganda doon, like we can, since personal yung mga like certain topics, we can really get into detail. So yung ibang versus like a big event, medyo broad strokes yung approach. Yun. So mas detailed yung yung mga gawa namin sa topics.
Kasi di ba before nagkaroon na kayo ng gigs Hong Kong, Malaysia, tapos abroad sa LA, meron ba kayong plans of going international din this year?
Not
Not
we are international.
Releasing the album.
or
What plans are we talking
performing to other countries this year?
May mga nakabook na shows pero hindi pa na pwede i-announce kasi hindi pa
Ayaw
nila
daw
ina-announce.
talaga eh.
I mean, under
But,
negotiations pa yung
But what can
But
fans
pero-
expect?
hindi we're not going parang global na hindi local band pa rin kami or
Hindi kami
trust,
Hollywood or bust.
hindi
Shy eyes.
It just so happened last year,
Last year was fun.
nabook kami in like 3 or 4 in 3 festivals
Oo,
talaga.
in a span of 4 months pa yun.
Sunod-sunod
Parang
talaga.
kaya swerte, parang wow!
One every quarter.
Oo, lumalabas kami. So,
So kung mangyari ulit yun,
Game.
parang game kami i-represent ulit yung country natin.
Oo. We're always looking forward to playing elsewhere, syempre. Kasi we're bringing our stuff out.
Tapos sa tingin naman namin, nagli-leave kami ng magandang impression para sa, uy, ganda pa ng Filipinos. Kasi meron, napupuri kami ng mga ibang managers na, international managers na, uy, galing nyo Filipino, wala kayo. So yun.
One last question each nila. Sorry. Kung meron ka.
Kanina yung learnings. Ngayon yung vision, ano pa ba yung hinihiling ng grupo? Hinaharap, ano ba ba kayo gawin?
Madami.
Dami. Which means we're not quitting anytime soon.
Yeah, yun yung aim namin.
Madami.
Na magtagal.
to continue making very good
Music.
music.
and
That's
cutting
good.
edge.
Oh,
And
hindi stagnant
Per-
na ano.
relevant.
Relevant sa
Relevant.
eksena.
Oo.
Hindi pa-forward palagi, pabaliktad ng andar.
Actually,
Yan,
yung pinakamaganda.
yan ang
Hindi namin
pinakamaganda.
makakita ng maraming bagong banda sana.
Makasabay pa rin
dumating.
namin sila. Oo,
Oo, na
tapos,
makasabay. Local bands yun yung gusto namin.
Kasi sa 15 years, yun yung isa sa mga masasaya. I mean, apart from getting to know everyone sa band, yung adventures na makakilala ka ng sobrang daming ibang banda rin.
Oo.
So, yun.
Ay,
Sana
lumalago yung eksena.
Yun.
Oh,
kasama yan sa adventures natin eh.
Next question.
Since kanina maraming food metaphors, cooking, etc. How do you think you progressed as chefs of music making from Grip Stanford to the
Ako sa tingin ko, Aldous, each of us, alam na namin kung yung gusto namin. Kumbaga, kung hindi naman chef, para kaming producers na uy, alam ko na yun yung gusto ko. Siya rin, may kanya-kanya kaming taste, medyo magkakaiba. So pag nag-record na kami, pag gumana kami ng kanta, na-check na, pwede ba natin ito? Papayag naman siya. Lahat meron ng Yun yung na-develop namin
Yung
throughout
trust
the
namin
years.
sa sarili namin and as a group, yung trust, yung tiwala.
Oo.
Parang alam
They
ko
will
maganda
deliver
yung
talaga
gagawin
yan,
niya.
oo.
Parang kung may suggestion siya, hindi na maapektuhan yung ego mo. Ganun din yung
Yun.
yung taste din namin, sigurado.
Na-hone na yung
Oo.
taste buds. Kasi
Parang sigurado ako na baka hindi mo na, wala na kaming doubts in our minds because of our
Second guess
of
na.
maturity na
Ayan,
ano kaya to, baka baduy ito pag na hindi, sigurado na kami kasi marami rin kaming research,
Oo.
mas madami rin
So,
kaming
matapang na rin.
Mas malakas
pag
yung
gusto
loob.
pag gusto gawin to,
panindigan.
gagawin.
Yung ego, parang yung kalyo sa kamay pag kaya mo nang hawakan ng mainit. Parang ganun.
flip kami ng steak, kamay lang, ganun na.
That is how developed.
Medium well.
Diego is the Anthony Bourdain of rock.
Na-interview ko yun, ha?
Yeah, no?
We don't eat fish on Monday.
I never ordered the chicken.
Oo.
Never ordered
At saka
the
the chef special equals disaster yun. Yan.
The weekly special.
Weekly special, ibig sabihin palpak yan eh.
Hindi, inuubos nila.
Lahat ng latak inuubos nila, kaya naka-mask na
Kaya
marami.
nasa buffet.
Sobrang daming
Chips and sandwich.
Last question. Sige, go.
Kasi yung dalawa.
JR.
Okay.
What bands do you admire locally and internationally?
Right
Locally,
now.
I like Wilderness. Right?
Ayan.
Ganda Wilderness.
Ata Yolanda Moon yung favorite ko.
Ako, album of the year ko so far.
Ay, Gaiji.
Gaiji. Bar. Hindi
dahil nandun si Raymond.
Hindi talaga.
Mamaya,
Pag narinig yung album nila, so, beer ba?
Ako may bagong ano nga yun? Yung kina Eric with the Lions.
Ay,
Read Between the Lions.
Read Between the Lines.
Galing na.
Bago ko lang narinig.
Tamang bago yan
Yung album din ng Identikit.
love it. Mga bagong bands.
Yan yung mga bagong bands.
Si Idris.
Yan, si Idris lang gusto ko yan.
Idris.
B-Eyes. Yan, gusto ko yan. Sila the Benedicto brother and sister.
Outer Hope.
Outer Hope. Magaling.
Ano ba?
Ako may isa Earth Mover. Ako lang natin gusto ko yan. Gusto ko yan.
Dami.
Dami.
International.
Okay na, mahaba. Sa local lang tayo. So,
Local lang.
Ano lang, just for the video. Message nyo sa fans, especially promoting your album.
Thank you for supporting us all these 15 years. Check out the new album. We have many surprises. Mong and Myrene are singing lead vocals.
Tears of Ripple.
Tears of Ripple of
Laid-
Eraserheads.
Laid in a crazy ass guitar solo.
Razorheads.
Kasi
We're gonna do a Razorheads. Razorheads.
yung buong album naka-chronicle sa Instagram and Twitter. Parang day 1 recording, day 2 recording.
Sandwich recording.
Sandwich
Not
recording.
consecutive days parang tapos
Nandun lang siya.
in one of the Twitter feeds, nandun si Tierso, hey, what's up? Tapos punta ka dito, gitara. Dumating siya with an amp,
Tech.
a tech, his guitar rig, his effects, tapos laid a solo all night with Jack Daniels.
Yun na.
Yun na eh.
Yun
F
ako,
yeah.
Jack Daniels.
F yeah.
Pampasarap.
Si Tirso yun eh.
Yes, yun.
Yun. Saka watch out for marami kaming plans for the year din na
Yeah,
gigs
yeah.
to coincide with the album. So you guys can make
Buong taon. Or buong 2 years.
yeah, the next couple of years. Thank you. Maraming salamat sa inyo.
Meron kaming movie, Sound Creation City.
Pwede yun.
Tsaka magkakaresto na kami.
Restaurant.
Barbecue
Crazier
tayo-
Katsu.
Barbecue tayo dyan.
Thank you for
Salamat.
coming.